All right, so I'll just go. All right.
Hey.
And then it starts like that.
Hey.
Hi, everyone. Hey. So today I have two guests, as you can see. We've got Miss Christina over here, who y'all know, and if you have not seen her, then clearly you need to watch some of the other tasting videos.
There's a particularly fun one where we make some mead, it go boom.
It exploded.
It was fun.
Oh my god.
And delicious.
And then this is Amy, who is brand new. She's also brand new to mead.
Yes, never had mead before.
Never had it.
So I feel as if I'm going to smell it and I will get drunk. So here we go.
Pretty much.
It might happen.
It might happen. This is the peach pie, and as y'all know, if you have watched this series of videos, peach pie is over 17%. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's just a lot. This is the highest I've ever made.
This is gonna be good.
Here goes nothing. Cheers.
I already feel really hot. I don't know about y'all, but I'm like, am I sweating already?
I'm very glossy, but it's fine.
I'm fine.
It's fine.
I'm a mutant. It's fine.
All right, you've got.
Bottoms up.
I'll pour you a small.
Small, thank you.
You get small.
Small. In a giant glass.
Yes, I love this glass. This glass, I probably poured too much actually.
It's okay. Cheers.
So for one, oh yes, cheers.
All right, tink, tink, tink.
Sorry, it's got like fingerprints all over it. Whatever. The inside's clean, I
I was
promise.
gonna say the inside's clean.
The color's really pretty.
It smells like pie.
It does. It has like
It
a.
smells like pie.
You can smell like a peachiness to it. I don't know how peachy it's gonna be. Fermenting peaches is
Peaches?
like a difficult.
Peaches.
Peaches.
I'm nervous. Hold on, don't do your opinions yet. You both did the exact same. Wait, you did like the kombucha girl, where you're like,
Wait, I was gonna ask why are peaches difficult to ferment?
that's delicious.
Yeah.
Wow. That is something
This is
special.
actually aging pretty well. I tried it maybe a month ago, and it did not taste like this.
So smooth.
It did not taste like this a month ago.
It feels like a whiskey, but a sweet whiskey.
It's so smooth. There's no bite to it at all.
I kind of feel it here, but I also like suckled on it for.
Yeah, I feel a little bit of warmth like right here.
But it's like happy warmth.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Welcome.
So this is 17%.
This is 17%.
This is how to get very drunk very fast.
Very.
Good thing I'm not driving today.
Woo, yeah, girl. Party
I was going to use some
time.
language that's not appropriate.
She could have put a cool beep on it. It could have just been like peach.
How to get the shit faced
Oh my
very
God.
quickly.
So the reason I've been having sort of a weird time fermenting peaches is because they're so delicate. I had to put, I don't even remember how many peaches I put in this. And then I put dried apricots in it to help bring out the peach.
I taste apricots.
So that's in
I taste
there.
apricots. That's the missing thing. Okay.
Yeah.
You can taste the graham cracker. It's in there. This
Yeah.
is.
And there's a
peach
vanilla
pie.
bean too. There's vanilla in there.
It's not as peachy as I was expecting it to be, but in a good way, because it's not like you got hit in the face with a peach,
Yeah.
which some themed things can be. It's like I just got hit in the face. This is like, hey, peaches.
But
And
apricots. Now that you say that, it's more apricot-y.
Yeah.
I agree.
yeah.
I agree. It's more apricot-y, but it's really nice.
Thank you.
There's no sharpness to it at all. It is very smooth,
It's very round.
very gentle, and gentle's not the right word.
Well, because you would think with the alcohol that you would have more of like a burn, maybe.
Yeah.
And it doesn't really, like it is kind of on the nose. You can
Yeah.
inhale the.
It smells more alcoholic than it tastes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a very good point.
Yeah, I didn't know what I was expecting, but this is a very delicious beverage.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for the invite.
Yes, girl. Of course. No, I thank you for being here and for trying this with us.
Yeah, it's so interesting that you can really smell alcohol, but then you taste it and you're like, this is just juice.
Yeah, it doesn't have
Like
that
warm
thick,
juice.
syrupy texture either.
No.
It's a little bit thicker than a regular wine. It's kind of port textured. So it's like thicker than regular wine, but it's not syrup.
No, it does have a viscosity to it.
Thank you, viscosity.
Words are hard.
Another maestro.
Yes.
I'm kidding.
Yes, my
Kind
dear.
of kidding, but okay. If you insist.
Have more, please. Yes.
The more I taste it, and like I'm just trying to think of it while I taste it, I get more of the spices.
Do you remember which ones you put in there? Like just allspice or
'Cause I definitely taste cinnamon.
pumpkin spice?
Yeah, there's
the
definitely cinnamon.
Nutmeg?
Yes.
Okay.
There's cinnamon and nutmeg.
But I agree with Amy. Is there allspice in here?
I think I put allspice berries in it.
I think I.
Oh.
Okay.
I think I crushed, because I have I crushed one whole nutmeg and threw it in there.
Ooh.
And a whole cinnamon stick.
Okay. That makes sense.
I think the cinnamon could have been left in a little bit longer, probably. Pull maybe a little bit more of a cinnamony. It sort of blends in with everybody.
But that's kind of the nice thing. Nothing is shouting above the rest of it. They're all working together.
I almost want it to sit on my tongue longer.
It lasts.
Yeah, because when you just kind of like, because I've done a few wine tastings in my day, you gotta do a little aeration.
Hell yeah.
It's like
And then it just like, all your taste buds are activated.
it's like the warmth and the spices you get after you swallow it. Like you get the fruit at the front, and then after a second, it's like, here's the warm, cuddly spices.
Yeah, and the vanilla really it has a lasting
Yeah.
effect in your mouth, which is is nice. It's nice to have that residual flavor.
This is like the perfect thing for this time of year. It is just before the fall equinox, in case.
in case you watch this in December.
In case you watch
or
this in
next
December.
year,
It is towards
Exactly.
the end of September, so the leaves are just about to change. The weather is just about to change. You still got summer on the mind. You got fall on the mind, and all of that comes together in this summer fruit, autumn spices. It's a beautiful
time.
drink.
Very like, let me sit next to the campfire, talking silly stories.
Light sweater, not coat yet.
No, not good. No snow.
So eloquent. See, this one, it's great. Amy, you are great.
Thanks.
You are great at this.
I mean, Amy's just fantastic.
I mean, what I know.
I mean, you
she's-
can keep saying nice
She's
things.
f***ing great. Amy's the
We love
best.
Amy.
We love Amy. We love Amy on this channel. We love
This is
Amy
it.
in general.
Love it.
Yeah, when you hit the glass, it's like music.
It's like the meditation bowls.
My goodness.
Perfect.
You hear that, Homebrew, Ohio? Your glass is amazing. I have an affiliate link down below.
Right.
Just do a little plug while we're here. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised at how this is turning out. And this is 3 months since bottling. I would think it was maybe further along than that.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
That's
when
going to be really
you-
interesting at Thanksgiving time.
Well, I think we're going to wrap this up. Christina made a lovely soda bread with raisins that you can see here. And we're going to snack on that now and for the next tasting video that we are about to make. So watch that too.
Watch all the things.
Watch all of it. Just watch
We're
all of
not
it.
doing anything else. Just watch the videos.
That's true. We're just chilling.
YouTube roulette, but specifically this channel.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.